Welcome to Digital Scrapper's Pick 5 Monthly Challenges. Our challenges were designed to help you get your stories told by sparking your creativity and motivating you with a deadline. And we've also got some pretty amazing prizes. Pick 5 was designed to accommodate all skill levels and to help you have fun. We are keeping it simple. Each month of Pick 5 starts on the first day of the month and ends on the last day, making it easier to remember. Let's take a look at how to play. Pick 5 can always be found in Community's sidebar, directly under the Community Forum. On the first day of every month, a new set of 9 challenges will drop in Community. When a new month drops, the previous month will completely disappear, along with that month's prize pack, and play stops for the previous month. To play Pick 5 from the current month's challenges, you will need to pick 5 or more challenges that you'd like to complete in the given month. Completing 5 or more makes you eligible for the current month's prize pack. More about that in a moment. If you'd like a printed visual reminder of the current month's Pick 5, click on the Pick 5 image. It will open in a new browser tab where it can be printed locally. If you'd like more information about a particular challenge, scroll down and click on that coordinating challenge card. From this view, you can click on the arrows to scroll through all the available cards. These challenge cards are what you will use to post your completion of a challenge. More about that in a moment. Because our Pick 5 goal is to help you get more stories told, all of our challenges require you to create a new scrapbook page or greeting card to fulfill each challenge. So if you are wanting to be eligible for the current month's prize pack valued at $20, you'll have to create 5 or more new projects within the boundaries of any given month. To make things easier for you, we've allowed that your new projects can be any size and can use supplies from any designer from any digital website. You do not have to use supplies from Digital Scrapper. And then to stay in line with the designer's terms of use, we do require that all page submissions include designer credits, and as usual, no linking is allowed. Next, let's take a look at how to post Pick 5. Let's say that you chose Challenge D as one of the 5 challenges for April's Pick 5. Next, you would create a page using the guidelines for the D challenge. This page does not fulfill the requirements of that challenge. It's just an example page. Before you post your new page, be kind to your host and save the page for the web. Help for doing that can be found in How to Post. So next, you would return to the challenge post within Community. Scroll down and click on the D challenge card. And then click on the comment icon within that card. In the comment, click on the image icon to upload your saved for web page. You can also just click and drag the image into the comment dialog box. Once your image is uploaded, you'll next need to provide credits for the page. Most importantly, you'll need to provide credit for the designers that you used on the page. This would also be a good place to provide credit for any class, tutorial, or template that you used when creating the page. Clicking Post would fulfill your obligation for one challenge of Pick 5. You'll need to create a different page or greeting card for the remainder of your chosen challenges. Once you have 5 or more challenges completed and your information submitted, you're ready to move on to the last step. Finally, we're going to take a look at how to win Pick 5. After you've spent time telling 5 or more unique stories, you qualify for our unique and exclusive prize pack, valued at $20 or more. The prize pack each month changes, but it will always include a 5-piece combination of a mini kit, a template, some masks, some overlays, possibly some styles, brushes. There are many things that you might end up finding in here, including a coupon. So here's how to get your prize pack. Once you're finished with Pick 5 for the current month, click on the link asking you to toot your horn and claim your prize. This link is at the bottom of every Pick 5 challenge post in Community. We're trusting you not to click on this link until you have successfully completed the current challenge. This hidden post contains 2 steps. First, you'll need to click on the comment icon. In that dialog box, tell us which 5 challenges you completed. So in my example, I would put A, C, D, G, and I. You could also list the names of the challenges if you'd prefer. From this post, we'll be checking out your pages and verifying that you're a rule follower. But as soon as you click post, scroll back up and click on the link to get your exclusive coupon code. That link takes you to a hidden web page. Your code is located in the position of this red triangle. When you actually go through the process, the code will not be hidden. This code changes every month along with the prize pack. So you'll want to jot that code down and then click on the Get It Free link. That link takes you to Marketplace, where you can add the prize pack for that specific month to your cart and then apply the code to get it free. Now, don't dilly-dally on this. This prize pack coupon code is only valid during the month of the challenge. So the April coupon code for the prize pack expires on April 30th. Don't be a procrastinator. So that's how to play Pick 5. At any time, you can always contact us for help. I'll see you in Community. This has been Jen White with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.